Opa, lagyan natin opa. Yeah, ako wala kita. What? Ako hindi i-check. Teka lang, ikaw ayos, ako kalit. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Di ko pa maalala yung honor. Ha? Di ko matandaan yung honor. Saan ka lumaki? Lumaki mo ako sa farm, yung honor. Pag ganyan, oh. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Nahuli ng koko. Wrong! It's wrong! Okay, sorry, it's wrong. Okay, how about pointed eyes like this? There you go. And the other. Yeah. Ay! Bakit? Daming tao! What? So many people! What? Dumami. Dumoble. Idol! What? Idol! Idol. Idoling. Sorry, it's idoling pala. Sorry. How about that one? Banda! Sorry. Can you draw the eyes for us? Olaf's eyes? Yes, okay. Make an eye for Olaf. There you go. I think that's scary. I don't like a zombie. You might think a zombie. No, okay, let's draw the eyes like this. And the other one like that. It's just a stone. There you go. Ano kulang sa kanya? The hair. Wow, hair. What hair do you want? Like tanggol. Kano yung si tanggol? Ah, si Coco. Okay. Coco Melon. Alright, so this I want you to greet Adina a happy birthday. No! Say happy birthday. No! Say happy. No, I don't want. Hindi tayo babayaran. They won't pay us. Happy birthday, Tina! Yung mga sinabi. Ano ko ba naman? Burahin na natin. One! Help! Adina! Help me! No! No more mouth for you. And how about a round of applause, everybody? Thank you very much. And for our last magic, okay, this will be our last magic. Can we have any